Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 3, Lesson 9, Transport, and it's on page number 29. Dear students, in previous video we already read about this lesson. What does mean by transport? Yes, any means that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. Machines which take us from one place to another on land are called vehicles. And means of transport like road transport, air transport, and sea transport. Okay, now move on page number 33. Here you have given some questions. And the question number 1 is, what does a tanker carry? The answer of this question is, a tanker carry an oil. The second question is, what is a ferry used for? Can you tell me what does a ferry used for? The answer of this question is, a ferry carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. The question number 3 is, which is the fastest way of traveling? कहीं भी आपने जाना हो, कहीं भी आपने सफ़र करना हो, तो वो कौन सा ट्रैवलिंग का वे होता है जो सबसे ज़्यादा फास्टेस्ट होता है? कौन से वे पे हम सबसे ज़्यादा जल्दी सफ़र कर सकते हैं अपना? तो क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि वो कौन सा वे? Yes, travel by air is the fastest way of traveling. Now move on the next slide. Here we have given exercise A, and exercise A is name the followings. The first point is a vehicle with two wheels and an engine. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि वो कौन सी व्हीकल है जिसके दो व्हील्स होते हैं और इंजन होता है? Yes, good. Motorbike. The next one is a means of transport that flies and carry many people. Again read, a means of transport that flies and carry many people are known as aeroplane. Good. The third one is a vehicle pulled by a horse. A vehicle pulled by a horse. Yes, a horse carriage. The fourth one is a vehicle with three wheels and an engine. In point 1, क्या पढ़ा था हमने point 1 में? A vehicle with two wheels and an engine. अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं vehicles with three wheels and an engine. Yes, a rickshaw. And the last one is a vehicle used by farmers to carry goods and to pull a plough. Think hard. A vehicle used by farmer. Yes, bullock cart. Now move on the next slide. In next slide you have given the answers. Now move on the next slide. Here you have given exercise B and it's on page number 34. And the exercise B is, which can go the fastest? Pull these in order. ओके, आपको ऑप्शन गिवन है नीचे, लाइक कार, बाइसाइकिल, बस, स्कूटर, बुलेट कार्ट एंड टोंगा। आपने क्या बताना है कि विच कैन गो द फास्टेस्ट, इनमें से कौन सा है जो सबसे ज़्यादा, जिसकी स्पीड सबसे ज़्यादा होती है या जो बहुत तेज़ चलता है, सबसे पहले आपने उसका बताना है। देन अगेन फिर जिसकी स्पीड थोड़ी लो होगी आपने उसके बारे में बताना है। देन अगेन कंटिन्यूड। द फर्स्ट वन इज बस। यस, bus can go the fastest. The second one is, you tell me please. Yes, car. The third one is scooter. And the fourth one is bicycle. And the fifth one is Tonga. And the last one is bullock cart. Okay, you have given answers in the next slide. Now we have completed this lesson. Hope so you have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.